good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now, I know y'all probably been wondering, like, what the unboxing videos been at, man? Your channel been up for a minute. You've been, showing upcoming releases. Shoes coming out at the end of this year, shoes coming out in a couple months, man. Even shoes coming out next year. Talked about Sneakers Day, Yeezy Day, reps, all kind of, other stuff you've been talking about. But we ain't really been seeing no unboxing videos. And I'm like, you know what? Y'all right. And trust and believe, I got y'all, man. Got y'all a real, nice little unboxing video today, man. Something that I've been looking forward to for a long time, that we finally getting a proper retro for, man. Something that might definitely be one of the best threes of all time. And y'all, you probably already know what it is. Well, you're gonna know what it is because of the thumbnail, of course, but you should already know what it is by me talking about it, man. And that shoe is no other than, man, the Fire Red 3s. Alright, man, let's get straight into it, man. Like I said, man, one of the best threes of all time, man. If not the best three of all time, man. But Fire Red 3s, real iconic shoe, man. Real iconic shoe, man. But never about how iconic it is and about, how great it is, man. Let's get straight into the shoe. Alright, the bad, man, you got your typical, black and red Jordan box, man. You got your, Jumpman on the shoe. I mean, on the box itself, nothing too out of the ordinary, nothing too crazy. But what I do like is the details around the bottom part of the box, man. You got your, like a blackish, like a dark elephant print around the whole bottom of the box, man, which is real dope in my opinion. I like the fact they added, of course, the Nike Air on the side of the box right there. Got your typical, Jordan size tag. Nothing out of the ordinary right there. Yeah, get your typical stuff on the bottom of the box that you see on pretty much every Jordan box. Nothing too crazy. But enough about the box. I know y'all not here for the box. Y'all here for the shoe itself. So let's get it, man. On the inside of the box, got a nice little touch to it, nice little details, which is the like a little Jordan paper. Pretty much, explaining the shoe, the upper sock liner, visible heel airsoft unit, or airsole unit, 4-foot airsole unit, foot frame, midsole, and outsole. So real nice little details on the shoe they added, talking about like each part of the shoe, which is real dope in my opinion. But man, y'all see him, man. The Jordan Fire Red 3s, man, like a beautiful shoe. One of the best threes, like I said, of all time, man. Like, if you a true sneakerhead, like a real true sneakerhead, you gonna want these shoes in your collection, man. I'm telling you. Now, this is a shoe that you need to have in your collection, man. Like, the details they put into these shoes, man, the quality, in my opinion, is like he's shocking me with how soft this leather is. Like, this is some real nice leather they got on this shoe. Like, real nice leather. I like the detail they got with the little hang tab, like the old school Nike Air hang tab on the side of the shoe. That's pretty dope in my opinion. Nothing too crazy with the tongue, your typical Jumpman on the tongue. Nice little outsole, red, white, and gray outsole, with the Nike on the bottom of it right there. I like how they went with the elephant print, like a true OG style elephant print. Because recently, the elephant print in the shoe has been like I think the last retro they had was 2013. It was more of a black elephant print, like a pretty much all black. This is like going towards like a more true OG style elephant print that was on the Jordan 3 back when it first came out back in the 80s. So that was before my time. I wasn't alive back then, so I couldn't really see a true proper form of the Jordan 3, but this is as close as we're gonna get to that true proper Jordan 3 form. But I love, man, this shoe gonna get a lot of wears out of me. This shoe right here is gonna get a lot of wears out of me, man. I'm telling y'all. Like, the details, man, the colors. Like, it's so much I can talk about this shoe, man. So much I can say about this shoe. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and get some more details out of here that I do like. So on your insole, of course, you got your red, typical red insole, nothing too crazy. Nice red to match the actual shoe itself. Got your gray around the sock liner. Real nice, real soft, you know. Leather, like I said, once again, is soft leather. Like if you can see, like this is some good. It's a decent shoe. It's actually a solid shoe, man. It don't come with like no shoe tree. It got your typical paper shoe, you know, tree, what they're gonna call it inside there. But overall, this is definitely one of my favorite shoes this year. Definitely gonna get a lot of words out of me. Definitely a shoe that, like I said, if you're a sneakerhead, you gotta have this in your collection. You need this shoe in your collection. Like this shoe has been iconic, man. An iconic Jordan 3, an iconic Jordan, not just Jordan 3, but an iconic Jordan in general, man. Like one of the best threes of all time. Up there, you know, with you got the white cements, the black cements, the fire reds, true blues. Like those threes, those are like some good threes. But the fire reds, like I said, the fire reds, the white cements, and the black cements. You know, these shoes right here, like the trio, man. Like you gotta have those three. I don't got the white cements in my collection, but I do need those in my collection soon. But fire reds, black cements, and white cements are 3 Jordan 3s that you need to have in your collection. And I'm glad I got my hands on these for a good price, man. Hopefully, when they do drop next month, y'all can cop for retail. You know, y'all gotta pay no resale prices. Hopefully, it's not as hard to cop these shoes like it has been for a lot of past races that everybody been wanting to get, because these shoes been selling out so fast, man. It's so hard to get a pair of shoes now for retail because of, you know, bots and any other, you know, avenues of people getting shoes early or people getting shoes fast, you know. So hopefully when these shoes do drop, y'all get y'all a pair for a good price, you know, for hopefully retail. If not retail, hopefully you can get a good resale price on these. You know, nothing that's gonna, you know, hurt your pockets too much. But definitely a shoe that y'all want to get in y'all collection. Definitely a shoe that y'all need in y'all collection, as, you know, sneakerheads or hype beasts or whatever y'all want to be. But definitely, I know y'all probably like, this man really a hype beast, but see, I told you I got some. I rock with OGs too, man. I definitely love my OGs. But once again, man, one of my favorite threes of all time. Definitely one of the top threes of all time. The top three. You know how that is, man. But once again, beautiful shoe. A shoe that y'all need in y'all collection. Definitely need in y'all collection. And hopefully y'all can cop for retail, because y'all gonna want these. I'm telling you, don't sleep on these shoes, man. Because when they out, and y'all look at them maybe like another year or so, let me go ahead and get these shoes now. Y'all don't be surprised if the price is like $400-500. I had a black cement 3s doing right now. Them shoes up there in price. So don't sleep on these fire reds when they come out thinking, oh, I'm gonna go ahead and get them at a later time. Get these shoes while they cheap. I'm telling you, you're not gonna regret it. But man, I appreciate y'all watching my videos, man. Appreciate y'all supporting my channel. Go ahead, you know, leave a like on my video, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, man. Share my channel, tell a friend to tell a friend, man. And I'm gonna catch y'all on my next video, y'all. Peace.